Hello Sir Yuan, good afternoon. We do appreciate po na naka-attend po kayo dito sa ating interview session.
Thank you din sa pag-invite. I'm very glad na in-invite nyo ako dito sa inyong interview. It's been an honor na mapunta dito and ma-interview nyo po.
We just want to ask some questions lang po regarding dun sa inyong trip for a travel incentive sa Hong Kong kasi we are also very curious, okay, kung ano experience and feeling pagka nasa Hong Kong.
Good experience siya. Sige, pwede natin pagkwentuhan, pwede mo, sige, later. Pag-usapan natin, sige.
First po, before we begin, we just want to ask lang po sana kung paano nyo po nakuha itong travel incentive going to Hong Kong.
So, binigyan po tayo ng Deca Gold, okay, ng incentives. Kung sino daw po ang magiging top producer per position sa Deca Gold Prime, papapuntahin daw nila ng Hong Kong. So, top sales agent, top team leader, then top manager. Okay, so, thankfully, napunta tayo sa top team leader, kaya yun, nabigyan tayo ng Deca Gold Prime. Okay, tsaka ng Deca Gold na makapunta ng Hong Kong. Ganun siya.
Okay po, let's start. Ilang araw po kayo sa Hong Kong?
4 days and 3 nights kami doon. Doon sa 4 days na yon, nakapunta na kami ng Hong Kong Disneyland. I can show you the Nakapunta na kami ng Macau. Tapos naikutan namin yung sa side ng Kowloon tsaka Tsim Sha Tsui. Yun, naikot na namin yun. So buti na nga lang, medyo okay yung weather, maulan-ulan konti, pero okay naman, nakapaglakad-lakad naman kami and enjoy naman namin yung experience.
In the early days, it's only one choice. You take ferry at the immigration. Okay, so you see all this ferry. Where is it? It's just nearby your hotel. 5 minutes. Okay, so if you do not know how to find your McDonald's, never mind.
Shanghai Street. Thank you.
Lakad tayo pabalik.
Ano naman po yung top 3 experiences nyo in Hong Kong?
Top 3, siguro unahin natin yung third, no? Ang third ko, siguro nung pumunta kami nung The Peak, Putik Solid yun. Doon nakikita mo yung city skylines ng Hong Kong. Sobrang tataas. Tapos mataas na yung building na sa Hong Kong. Tapos yung ano mo doon, yung pwesto mo, mataas ka pa dun sa building. My life be like Then for the second naman, for me, yung Macau namin na trip. Okay, so solid din siya. Nag-ikot-ikot kami, napunta kami buffet. pinunta kaming buffet, tapos may pinuntahan kaming temple. Okay, tapos andun din yung parang London. Then, syempre, yung last or yung pinaka-the best namin napuntahan sa Hong Kong, walang iba, syempre, yung Hong Kong Disneyland.
And through the trials we face, the races that we're running, we always keep the faith in who we are becoming. Every day's a different page, a story to unfold. Remember, you know, time's always moving, we can't slow the hands. Won't last forever, but we won't forget. From any level, our very first step, just live the moment and love the memory. Times that we climb and the times we descend, times that we build and the times that we bend. Time is a treasure we all get to spend. Just live the moment and love the memory. Take in the moment, look all around. This is your life. Make every minute count in time.
Though I have to say goodbye, remember me. Don't let it make you cry, or even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each night we are apart.
Happy New Year, everyone!
So, ito para po hindi na po tayo masyadong humaba tumagal ba po kasi may client pa kayo naiyanan na po kami kasi alam naman po natin busy kayo madami po yung ginagawa. Kaya po, we really do appreciate na pinayagan niyo po kami i-interview kayo and sana po makauwit po kami kasi very curious po talaga kami and we naiingit po kami dun sa mga pictures na mga pinagpupost nyo kasi kamakailan lang nasa Japan po kayo tapos na nasa Hong Kong naman po kayo. Kaya po parang napapasya na umilang po kami. So ito na nga po para po hindi na tayo humaba. Pwede po ba nating i-summarize na lang yung inyong travel incentive trip sa Hong Kong?
So, yung trip namin, buti gumawa ako ng video. Okay, so summary na siya from day 1 hanggang day 4. Okay, so ito siya actually. Yan, so panoodin na lang natin. Ops, wait lang. So bago natin panoodin yung final video ng ating Hong Kong incentive trip, okay? If ikaw yung interested na maging agent dito sa Urban Deco Homes Ortigas, and kung gusto mo din ma-achieve itong mga gantong klase ng incentive, pwede mo na akong i-message ngayon dito sa number na to. Okay? Or dito naman sa aking Facebook page. Okay? So message mo na ako ngayon para makapag-meet na tayo and makapag-set na tayo ng taping mo. Okay? So I hope to see you. Balikan na natin yung video. Yan. So panoodin na lang natin.
I don't know what you've been told.